Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Facebook Pixel for ads using Meta Business Suite. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Facebook Pixel for ads using Meta Business Suite, begin by logging into your Meta Business Suite account. Once logged in, navigate to the Events Manager section from the left-hand menu. In the Events Manager, look for the Pixels option and click on it. Here, you'll see an option to create a new pixel. Click on that Add button to start creating your pixel. You will be prompted to enter a name for your pixel. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose, then click Continue. Next, you will need to add your website URL to help optimize your pixel setup. After entering your website URL, click Continue again. Now, you will see several options for how to install the pixel code on your site. Choose the option that best suits your technical ability and website platform. If you choose to use the manual setup, click on Install Code manually. You'll be provided with a pixel base code. Copy this code to your clipboard. Now, access your website's code or the platform where your website is hosted. Paste the pixel base code into the header section of your website. After setting up the base code, you can configure specific events. Return to the Events Manager and click on Add Events. Select the method you wish to use for tracking specific actions on your site. You can either use the Events Setup tool or manually add events using code. If you opt for the Events Setup tool, enter your website URL and click Open Website. Once your site loads, click on the actions you want to track, such as Add to Cart or Complete Purchase. After configuring your events, click on Finish Setup. Review your pixel settings to ensure everything is correct. To test your pixel, return to the Events Manager and click on Test Events. Enter your website URL once more to verify. If your pixel is working, you will see the events you set up displayed in real time. Review your pixel data regularly to make sure it is tracking correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.